Hello Internet, this is the Root. My next total upgrade in custom build, first custom build, not this curbside find shit, or any of this store-bought shit, will be a 12-core, 24-thread AMD system. Ryzen to be exact, I think Ryzen 9? System's gonna have 128 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah, that's a whopper. But it has to be that way because of the video that I produce. 8K, 16K, maybe even beyond that. I just have to ensure that I'm not bottlenecked, and also future-proof. I was considering a Threadripper, but that's way beyond my budget. And thus, I'm going to be reusing the same graphics card. Except this time it won't be bottlenecked. And this may actually be my last build, because I'm going to wait at least 10 to 20 years for the next one. At least, that's what I hope anyway. Thanks for watching.